Hello y'all, happy people, hope you guys doing great. Thank you very much for all the support. Alright, today I'm here to cook Brussel sprouts. So I've just tweaked it to the normal recipe that everyone follows. I just tweaked it because I want to make it a bit tastier. And it's good. It's very healthy and a diet food. So hope you guys like it. Thank you. Alright guys, let's start roasting some nuts. We've got some almonds and cashews. I'm gonna roast them, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna grind them coarsely. Almost there, almost there. There you go. That's it. Magic! Alright, let's start with the cooking. We got the butter now. Just wait until the butter melts. Once the butter is completely melted, and then we're gonna grate our garlic cloves directly in. The aroma, guys, it's amazing. I love garlic. Okay, all good. There you go. Brussel sprouts are in. I haven't blanched them in hot water, guys. I like them a bit crispy, so I don't want to blanch them. Onions going in. Red onions. I love red onions. We're just gonna caramelize them, both of them. Got some Worcestershire sauce, salt, and pepper. Very simple. That's it. Give it a nice mix. I'm going to add a splash of water and steam them for a couple of minutes. There you go. Nicely done. Give it a nice mix again. Okay. Coarse nuts goes in. And the sesame seeds goes in. Give it a quick mix, and then ready to serve. Hope you guys enjoyed. Simple and easy. Thank you.